Cannot log into Instagram. It's showing an error. Confirm it's you to log in. Captcha error problem. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. First of all, take a screenshot of this problem and go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store. Now click on search bar. Now again click on search bar and search for Instagram. Just search for Instagram and here update your Instagram app. After updating your Instagram, now click on Instagram and scroll down. Here you can see app support. Just click on this option. Now here you can see Instagram support mail. Just click on this option. Now here add your Instagram account Gmail and click on attach icon. Just attach your problem screenshot. After attach your screenshot, now describe your problem here. After describing your problem, just click on send button. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.